So, I'm trying to get away from the breeding side of it, because the breeding side, every time I have puppies, the whelping and the whole process takes around 3 months per dog, and to rehome the puppies. So that's 3 months out of my life that I have to be here at home. Now, if I'm overlapping my females, because again, I'm self-employed, I need to pay the rent, I mean, I pay the mortgage. I need to pay, feed the dogs. I need to pay the bills. I need to, car insurance, all these things. You need a budget. And if I'm only getting paid every 3 months, and overlapping these dogs, I have to have at least 2 to 3 litters a year. So again, this is all about being self-employed and owning your own business.